इमेजिन एक स्कूल कैंपस जहां हल्की हल्की बारिश की बूंदें धरती को छू रही हैं। हरियाली से सजा हुआ हर कोना, बच्चों के चेहरों पर मुस्कान और खुशी, और स्टेज पर शुरू होने वाला एक ऐसा सेलिब्रेशन जिसे हर पेरेंट और हर टीचर सालों तक याद रखे। अगर आप भी अपने स्कूल में एक मेमोरेबल, एलिगेंट और प्रोफेशनली होस्टेड सावन सेलिब्रेशन कंडक्ट कराना चाहते हैं, देन दिस कंप्लीट मास्टर क्लास is especially designed for you. Welcome to Premium School Anchoring Script and Event Mastery channel. The channel where you learn Premium School Anchoring Script, complete event planning, professional stage management and practical hosting techniques. So, without wasting a single minute, let's begin today's Premium Savan Celebration Masterclass. Let's get started. A very good morning, respected principal ma'am, honorable teachers, dear parents and my lovely students. आप सभी का हरियाली, उमंग और प्रकृति के सबसे सुंदर मौसम सावन सेलिब्रेशन में हार्दिक स्वागत एवं अभिनंदन है। Let's welcome this beautiful season with happy hearts, smiling faces and loud applause. Friends, Sawan is not just a season, it's a celebration of hope, a celebration of greenery, a celebration of happiness. और सबसे बढ़कर यह हमें सिखाता है कि जैसे सूखी धरती पहली बारिश के बाद फिर से मुस्कुराने लगती है, वैसे ही जीवन में हर कठिन समय के बाद नई शुरुआत हमारा इंतज़ार करती है। Let's celebrate this beautiful message together. Every beautiful celebration begins by seeking divine blessings. और हमारे भारतीय संस्कृति में सावन का महीना भगवान शिव को समर्पित माना जाता है। So, to begin today's celebration with positivity, peace and divine blessing, may I request everyone to kindly settle down, maintain complete silence and immerse yourself in the divine devotion as we present our soulful Shiv Vandana. Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome our talented performers with your loudest applauses for the divine beginning of today's Savan celebration, Shiv Vandana. स्माइल के साथ शुरू करिए। पहले परफॉर्मर्स की तरफ देखिए, फिर ऑडियंस की तरफ। पहले 3 लाइन सॉफ्ट और रेस्पेक्टफुल वॉइस में बोलिए। जब भी नाउ बोलिए, नाउ के बाद 1 सेकेंड का पॉज ज़रूर लीजिए। राउंड ऑफ एप्लॉज बोलते समय आप खुद क्लैप शुरू करिए। आपको देख के ऑडियंस भी क्लैप करेगी। और हाँ, क्लैप करते समय बिल्कुल मत बोलिए। So, continue to our script. What a beautiful and divine presentation. Let's give one more big round of applause to our wonderful performers. Thank you, dear student, for filling this beautiful morning with devotion, positivity and peace. भगवान शिव की कृपा हम सभी पर बनी रहे और हमारा जीवन सुख, शांति और समृद्धि से भर जाए। And now, with the same joyful spirit, let's move ahead the colorful cultural segment of today's celebration. अब एनर्जी थोड़ी बढ़ाने की ज़रूरत है। ऑडियंस के सेंटर में देखिए। लिटिल स्टार्स बोलते वक्त स्टेज की तरफ हाथों से जेस्चर दीजिए। लास्ट लाइन एनर्जेटिक बोलिए। Continue to our script. Friends, every season has its own beauty, but Sawan has a special magic. It fills nature with greenery, hearts with happiness, and every celebration with unforgettable memories. और अब वो खुशी की लहर हमारे नन्हे कलाकार इस मंच पर अपनी खूबसूरत प्रस्तुति देने के लिए तैयार और उत्सुक हैं. Ladies and gentlemen, please put your hands together and welcome our little stars of Sawan. Welcome dance. अब आपको नरेशन स्टाइल पर ध्यान देने की ज़रूरत है. स्माइल मेंटेन रखिए, वॉल्यूम म्यूजिक से हल्का कम रखिए. कंटिन्यू टू आवर स्क्रिप्ट. Every raindrop begins hope, every melody spreads joy, and every dance tells a beautiful story. As our young performers celebrate the beauty of Sawan through graceful movements and colorful expression, let's encourage them with a smile and applause. प्राउड एक्सप्रेशन. ऑडियंस को क्लैप करने का टाइम देना बिल्कुल ना भूलिए. फैंटास्टिक पर स्ट्रेस करिए. अगेन कंटिन्यू टू स्क्रिप्ट. वंडरफुल, एब्सोल्युटली फैंटास्टिक परफॉर्मेंस. एक बार फिर से जोरदार तालियों से हमारे प्यारे परफॉर्मर्स का हौसला बढ़ाएं. डियर चिल्ड्रन, योर कॉन्फिडेंस, energy and a beautiful expression made this performance truly memorable. Congratulations. Again, voice को soft और graceful करिए. स्टेज के एंट्रेंस की तरफ देखिए. लेफ्ट हैंड से परफॉर्मर्स को इनवाइट करिए. कंटिन्यू टू आवर स्क्रिप्ट. म्यूजिक हैज़ अ इनक्रेडिबल पावर टू टच एवरी हार्ट. और जब सुरों में प्रकृति की मिठास घुल जाए तो आहा, तो हर पल और भी यादगार बन जाता है. इट्स नाउ टाइम टू वेलकम आवर मेलोडियस क्वायर फॉर अ ब्यूटिफुल Sawan group song. Let's welcome them with a warm and cheerful round of applause. एक्साइटमेंट बिल्ड करिए. स्टे विद अस के बाद 1 सेकेंड का पॉज लीजिए. वॉइस होपफुल रखिए. अगेन कंटिन्यू टू आवर स्क्रिप्ट. द सेलिब्रेशन हैज ओनली जस्ट बिगन एंड मैनी मोर एक्साइटिंग मोमेंट्स आर वेटिंग फॉर अस. अब आगे होंगे कुछ फन फिल्ड एक्टिविटीज, जॉयफुल परफॉर्मेंसेस और बहुत सारी मुस्कानें. So stay with us as we continue this beautiful journey of Sawan together. Bright smile, voice energetic और inviting. Audience को सेंटर से एड्रेस करिए. Let's begin. पर दोनों हाथों से ओपन जेस्चर दीजिए. Now continue to our script. Every celebration becomes truly memorable when everyone participates with joy. और इसी खुशी को और भी खास बनाने के लिए इस टाइम for our interactive activity segment. So get ready to smile, cheer and enjoy every moment together. Let's begin. Voice calm or inspiring. Pause after one plant. Look towards the students. Continue to our script. Sawan teaches us to love nature. Nature gives us life, fresh air, and endless beauty. Today, let us take a small but meaningful step towards a greener tomorrow. I now invite our respected principal ma'am and our dear students to begin our plantation activity. One plant, one promise, a better tomorrow. Yes, you heard right. One plant, one promise, a better tomorrow. Use cheerful tone. Clap once before inviting parents. Gesture towards parents' sitting area. Now continue to our script. No celebration is complete without our wonderful parents. So now it's time to add a little fun and laughter. May I invite a few enthusiastic parents to join us for a joyful Sawan-themed game. Dear audience, let's encourage them with a big round of applause. Voice elegant and expressive. Smile throughout. Follow the children with your eye as they walk. Continue to our script. Just like colorful flowers brighten a garden, our little stars are ready to brighten the stage with their charming umbrellas. Walk and green dress parade. Let's welcome them with a loud applause as they celebrate the beauty of monsoon season in their own adorable style. Relaxed expression, slow and natural. कभी भी ये फील मत होने दीजिए कि स्टेज पर डीले है. Dear audience, while our next performers are getting ready backstage, let's take a moment to appreciate a wonderful spirit of today's celebration. Isn't it? It's amazing how one beautiful season brings together smiles, creativity, and togetherness. Thank you for your patience. Our next presentation is just about to begin. Warm smile, build excitement, pause before final segment. Continue to script. What a wonderful journey it has been so far, but the children is not yet. What a wonderful journey it has been so far, but the celebration is not over yet. We are now moving towards our final segment of today's Sawan celebration, where we will honor our participants, express our gratitude, and conclude this beautiful event with heartfelt memories. Stay with us. Warm smile, voice dignified and respectful. Look towards chief guest and principal. Invite them with an open hand gesture. Pause after announcing each dignitary. Continue to our script. Every performance deserves appreciation and every effort deserves recognition. It is now time for a most awaited moment of today's Sawan celebration, the prize distribution ceremony. I respectfully invite our honorable principal, our respected dignitaries, and our esteemed guests to kindly come forward and grace the stage for the prize distribution. Dear audience, let's welcome them with a huge round of applause. Calm narration, smile throughout, follow the award recipient with your eyes, speak slowly. Continue to our script. Congratulations to all our young achievers. Every certificate represents dedication, confidence, and continuous learning. Whether you received an award today or not, remember that participation, courage, and willingness to learn are the greatest achievement of all. Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep shining. Respectful expression, gentle and grateful tone look towards teacher. Continue to our script. Behind every successful event stands a team that works with dedication and love. We express our heartfelt gratitude to our respected principal ma'am, our supportive management, our dedicated teachers, our hardworking non-teaching staffs, and our wonderful parents for making today's celebration a memorable success. Thank you for your constant encouragement and support. Slow and heartfelt, gentle smile. Pause after each thank you. Look across the audience while speaking. Now, continue to our script. As we came to an end of this beautiful celebration, I extend my sincere thanks to our respected principal ma'am, our honored guests, and our teachers, our lovely parents, and of course our dear students for making this 7th celebration so meaningful and memorable. Your presence, encouragement, and enthusiasm have filled this day with happiness and positivity. Thank you for being a part of this wonderful journey. Soft smile, emotional but confident voice. Look at the audience, then towards the children. End with warmth. Continue to our script. Just as the gentle rain leaves behind freshness and new hope, may today's celebration leave beautiful memories in every heart. May we continue to grow with kindness, learning, and togetherness. Thank you once again for joining us. Wishing you and your family a joyful, peaceful, and I hope today's 7th celebration anchoring masterclass has given you a practical ideas, professional stage transition, and ready to use anchoring lines that you can confidently use in your own school events. If this video helped you even a little, then don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and press the bell icon so you never miss an upcoming school anchoring masterclass. Event script and teacher resources. Share this video with your fellow teachers, coordinators, and school anchors because great ideas become even more powerful when we learn together. And don't forget to tell me in the comment which school event would you like me to cover next. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and keep inspiring young minds. Premium words create premium anchors. See you in next lesson. Jai Hind!